I'm in the home of a buddy of mine, Scott, who's a fairly avid woodworker, and he created this whole fireplace mantel for less than $75 in materials. What he did is he went down to the home center and bought some stock crown molding and some MDF, which is a medium density fiber board, a very commonly used material in cabinetry and in mantels, and he used it to create the shelf part of the mantel. He even put a nice little detail right on the front using a router and a nice little router bit. He also built these little fluted side pieces, which actually you can buy these pieces at the home center, and then he finished it off with some wide base molding at the bottom and several coats of paint to make it look this nice. Now, if you're not as confident as Scott is with your woodworking skills, then you can buy an entire fireplace mantel kit either online or at the home center. You'll need to make sure that you measure your fireplace so that you're getting the right size kit. Then, when you have the kit, a little bit of layout, a little bit of cutting and assembling everything, stain or paint, it'll look great.